Hello, today we're going to focus on dividing fractions. In this first problem here, we have 3 divided by 1/2. Notice in this model given to us, it broke this into 3 whole pieces because notice we have 3 whole pieces divided by 1/2. Now, each whole we're going to break into halves. Notice this whole here we have 1/2 and 1/2, and I did that for each whole. Now, to determine my final answer, my goal is to count how many halves I have. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, giving me a final answer of 6. Notice 3 divided by 1/2 equals 6. Now in this next problem here, we have 4 divided by 1/3. Now I really love how on this number line, they already broke this into thirds. But notice here we have from 0 to 1. And in between each wholes, we broke that into 3 equal pieces. Now here I have from 1 to 2. And notice 2 here is also equivalent to 6/3 because 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And between 2 to 3, and then we have 3 to 4. And my whole numbers here go up to 4 because I'm starting with 4. I have 4 divided by 1/3. Now again, notice this number line is broken into thirds between each of the whole numbers given to us. Now I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to count how many thirds I have until I get to 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, giving me a final answer showing that 4 divided by 1/3 equals 12 pieces. Now for this one, we have 2 divided by 1/3. And again, we only went up to 2 here. In fact, it even goes to 3, but I'm not going to go all the way up to 3 because I'm starting with just 2 wholes. And my goal is to divide those 2 wholes divided by 1/3. Now notice again, we have between each of the whole numbers is broken into 3 equal pieces. So from here, I have 2 divided by 1/3. Well, let's count how many thirds I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm stopping at 2 because I only have 2 wholes. So now 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6. Now for this one here, I have 3 divided by 1/5. You can choose to use a number line, a visual model, whatever works for you. Or some of you might have already started picking up on a little trick. So 3 divided by 1/5. I'm going to start with 3 wholes. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to break each of these wholes into fifths. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, breaking it into 5 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, breaking into another 5 equal pieces. And same for here. Now, my goal here is to count how many fifths I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Therefore, 3 divided by 1/5 equals 15. Now for this problem, I'm going to do the same thing. I have 2 divided by 1/7. I'm going to draw another model here to help me. I have 2 wholes, but this time instead of breaking into fifths, I'm going to break it into sevenths because I'm dividing each whole by 1/7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines representing this into 7 equal pieces. And I'm going to do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, breaking this into 7 equal pieces as well. Just like I did in the previous problem, I'm now going to count how many sevenths I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Giving me an answer to this problem, 2 divided by 1/7 equals 14. Now, when you're solving these problems today, you can either use to draw a model, you can use a number line. Some of you might already be recognizing a little pattern that is occurring here. You can choose whatever method you would like that helps you solve each of these problems during today's activities. As always, feel free to refer back to this video at any time on my YouTube channel.